Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. This comes from a new company to me. This is my first time working with them, so I'm excited about it. But before I get into that, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And okay, let's get into this because I am excited for this. So, this is from Paintsomeway, and they are gracious enough to have sent me a few items to show to all of y'all. So, let's get into it. I'm going to pull one out. Alright. So the first thing that we have is this gorgeous box. Now this is called a craft mask storage box, and it's got a butterfly on it. Now this is $4.99 on Paintsomeway's website. And there are 4 different ones to choose from. I don't remember what the others were, but there are 4 of these to choose from. But I liked the butterfly. So it's just a little plastic box that you're supposed to store your face masks in. But I think I'm going to use mine for something else. I was thinking about putting either my multiplacers in here or all my loose wax. I'm not sure. So, it comes with a regular toolkit, which is your green boat, your square of wax, and a pink pen. And look, y'all, it comes with these gorgeous drills. So let's take a look at these real quick. There are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 11 colors. So we have got a purple. There's a pink. We've got green. We've got silver or clear. We got a real pale pink, the yellow, and then we get into these bigger special shapes. And this one's like an orange and pink and yellow. You can see coming out. And this is got like green and purple and some blue. And these are iridescent teardrops. And then these are bigger iridescent teardrops. And then we have some red teardrops. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. So, I'll set those to the side. But this, it's got a little piece of plastic on it. None of this is sticky, so that's good. That is very sticky. So yeah, I think what I'll do is either throw my multiplacers in here or possibly wax, or I don't know. I don't know what I'll do with this. But like I said, this is $4.99 and it's called the Craft Mask Storage Box on Paintsomeway. Alright, so there's that. Alright, let's see, what else do we have? Alright, so we have this beautiful coaster. And this is called a acrylic diamond painting coaster DIY mandala cup cushion table placement. That is a mouthful. But it is $2.99. And there are 5 different ones to choose from. And this is wood, it feels like, on the bottom. And then that is acrylic. But it's got this plastic over the top of it, and you just peel it off. That is very sticky. That is really pretty, y'all. Really pretty. Alright, again, it just comes with your basic toolkit. And then it comes with, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different crystals and special shapes. We have a gold, we have a silver, red, a very light aqua, and then we have a blue, and then we have these teeny tiny teardrops, and then we have these blue with a little iridescent color on them. I love that color. So that, and you can see the blue teardrops are going to go right in there. And then, that is so tiny. Oh, the little bitty ones that go right there. I think. But yeah, very pretty. And like I said, this one is $2.99, and there are 5 different ones to choose from. So there's that. All right, let's see. All right, so this I'm excited about. Now this is wax, and I have only tried, of course, the pink wax. And then I've tried the blue wax, and I really like blue wax. I think it's better than the pink. But I have never tried yellow or purple. So there's purple, there's yellow, then there's the blue, and then of course there's pink. Whoops! Pink wax. Now, with the wax, this is actually called Boxed Diamond Painting Spot Drilling Clay. Alright? These have 5 different ones to choose from. You can either get a box of just pink, a box of just purple, a box of just blue, or a box of just yellow, or you can get one that has all of them in it. And I chose this one because I wanted to try the purple and the yellow. And like I said, let me see, I just want to see how many it comes with. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of each. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. But like I said, you can either get this in boxes of all of the same color, or you can get this one. And these are $2.99 a piece. But I'm excited to try the yellow and the purple. And I'll definitely let y'all know how that is. Alright, so the last thing in here I'm excited about if I can get it out of the bag. Alright, is the acrylic pen with the pink flowers. Now it comes with, it looks like a 5 or 6 placer and a single placer, but isn't that pretty? And of course they have 7 different pens to choose from, and this is $5.99. on Paintsomeway. And y'all, this is super, super pretty. I don't know how well y'all can see this. I did get a new little light for my desk, but I'm still learning, trying to figure out the best angle. So I apologize if the lighting's not great, but it isn't that pretty. So I think this is some really, really neat items. And it didn't take long at all to get here. And like I said, this is from a new to me company. I've never done an unboxing for them before, but it's called Paintsomeway. And right now, they have got a 70% off shipping, but it's on a limited time only. Now, I don't know how long it's going to be that way, but right now that's what they're doing. And then they also carry oil painting. They have got cross stitch. They, of course, as you can see, have off the canvas. They have got customs. They have got all kinds of different diamond painting canvases to choose from. They have got cross stitch. And right now, if you enjoy cross stitch, you need to go over to their website, because they have got a clearance section on their cross stitch. And right now, you can even take an extra 10% off their clearance of their cross stitch. So that is worth going and checking out, I think. So let's recap. This is a mask, a face mask box. It's just a little plastic box with a little flip lock. This one has a butterfly on it, but there are, like I said, there's like 4 different ones to choose from. And this was $4.99 on their website. We've got the coaster, and there are 5 different ones to choose from. Is that right? Yeah. 5 different ones to choose from. It was $2.99. We have got the wax. There's 5 different types. You can either get all pink, all yellow, all purple, or all blue, or you can get some of everything. And they are $2.99. And then you get the pen for $5.99. And there's 7 different ones of these. So, I cannot wait to start these. And I just want to say thank you to Paintsomeway for sending these items to me to show all of y'all. And I will leave a link to all of this in my description box. And yeah, y'all get over there and check this site out. And until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.